If you're experiencing connection errors with your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is active and stable. You can do this by testing the connection on another device, such as a smartphone or computer. Step 2. Restart your Xbox Series X. Power cycle your console by holding the power button for 10 seconds until it turns off. Wait a minute, then turn it back on. This can resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Test network connection. Go to the Settings menu on your Xbox Series X, select Network, and then choose Network Settings. From there, select Test Network Connection to see if your console can connect to the internet. Step 4. Check for system updates. Make sure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, select System, and then choose Updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 5. Reset network settings. If the issue persists, consider resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, select Network, then Network Settings, and choose Advanced Settings. From there, select Alternate MAC address and choose Clear. Restart your console afterward. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection errors on your Xbox Series X. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.